Hello everyone, welcome to A1 Profit Lab. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI talking video step by step using free tools. You don't need a camera, you don't need any special skills, and you can do everything right from your phone. AI talking videos are becoming very popular on YouTube, social media, and online businesses. So if you want to learn how to make them easily, keep watching. AI talking videos are videos where an artificial intelligence avatar speaks your text just like a real human. You simply type what you want to say, and the AI turns it into a realistic talking video. People use these videos for tutorials, ads, motivational content, business promotions, and faceless YouTube channels. The best part is that anyone can create them, even beginners.
The first step is to choose an AI avatar. Open CapCut and go to the AI Tools section. Look for the Talking Avatar or Talking Photo feature. You will see different animated human characters. Pick the one you like. You can choose a female or male avatar depending on your preference.
After choosing your avatar, the next step is to type your script. This is simply the message you want the avatar to say. It could be a tutorial, a business message, a story, or any content for YouTube. For example, you can type something like, "Welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make money online using AI." You can make your script short or long depending on your video length. Once you have typed your script, click the Generate button. The AI will process your text and turn it into a talking video in just a few seconds. After it finishes loading, your avatar will start speaking exactly what you typed. This is how easy it is to create AI talking videos. Enhance your video with text, effects, and captions for professionalism. Use background motion, transitions, and soft music in CapCut for a smooth video. AI-powered videos eliminate actors, cameras, and expressions, saving time and money. Efficiently create videos and share to YouTube or social media for online business growth. Use clear text, simple sentences, and calm music for better engagement. Keep videos between 5 to 7 minutes for optimal engagement. Post consistently on YouTube for recommendation and watch time growth. Enjoy this tutorial and learn more about AI-driven digital tools with our A1 Profit Lab and subscription bell.